This has been a whirlwind of a week. We pulled into Christmas, Michigan on Saturday. Took a kayaking tour with Pictured Rocks on Sunday, which was so amazing we recommend you do it if you're ever passing through the UP. Worked Monday and Tuesday before spending the evenings checking out what might be interesting around the tiny tourist town of Munising. And we finished the week off with a 3-day bikepacking trip around Grand Island, which created a lot of cleanup to get ready to travel today.
This is Pictured Rocks RV Park and Campground. This is where we've been for our week in Christmas. It's been a nice park. We haven't really been able to enjoy this campground too much. This is 13, 14, 15, this side of the park. I just want to point out that these have RV pads, concrete pads. And these over here on this side of the park have gravel pads. And if you get some of these sites on the perimeter, they look amazing. Some of them are tucked out of the way. And it looks like this over here may be some type of cabin rental. When we got here, we did see some tent campers, so they do allow tent camping here as well. So it's been a nice park. What we know about it anyways, it's been a nice park.
So we're supposed to be packing, not unpacking. What you doing in here?
Apparently, while we were off on our mountain bike trip for 3 days,
Got some new guests?
we have some visitors who like flaxseed.
Great.
And now they're in the RV somewhere.
Maybe they went back out. Maybe they just came for dinner and left.
Oh, they like the beans too.
Oh.
Well, we wanted to get rid of some things, so I guess let's see if they like the pasta. They don't like chickpea pasta. Went straight for the beans and flax. They don't like gluten-free banana bread mix, but probably still needs to be trashed since it's all contaminated now.
What do you mean? I'm sure it's in a bag in there.
You see the peel on the top of that box?
Nope.
Whatever that is, they're trying to get to it. We probably should have checked your drawer before we started cleaning. We're supposed to leave. Be pulling out at 11. It's kind of scrambled. Staying in a park that'll charge us $100. If we're late getting out of here, check that almond milk back there.
Yeah.
They're not in the grits. What about the popcorn?
They don't like popcorn, or they haven't made it up this high yet.
So just for reference, we left on Wednesday and came back on Friday night. So less than 72 hours away.
Alright, that one's cool.
Alright. Now we just gotta figure out where they came from.
See any holes? Oh, my light.
It's not holes here we gotta worry about. It's holes underneath, I think.
Grand Design holes.
Well, we need to be thankful that it was there for easy access for them.
So put steel wool in there or something?
We don't have any right now, but we need to find out if they chewed it underneath the slide. I think that's where you need to go check while I get this cleaned up.
Don't see any holes out here. No holes on this slide either. Underbelly looks intact from this angle. There are holes down here that have been cut into it, it looks like, from the factory. Oh, that's the exhaust for the generator.
We don't have many stops on the way to our next location, but there is a Meijer, a Walmart, Guess we get to stop there. Get some traps because there's not or bait. Because there's not a Walmart or Meijer or anything where we're headed, I don't think. I mean, I'm sure there's something, but I'd rather stop somewhere where I know we can get some things than get all the way there and not be able to get what we need. What made me look is we had mouse turds right here on this chair, and we didn't really set up this time. So this is all of our camping gear that would not normally be here. Can't really look, and I don't want to completely unpack it, but I do want to make sure that I scare away anything that might be in here. They say if you double pack in a Ziploc bag, oh, shoot. So they say if you double pack your food, or double Ziploc bag your food, that animals can't smell it. Well, that is a lie.
I filled the lunch pickup with it empty, with the plug open.
Well, they're in the camping food.
Are there holes in your bag?
Yes, babe.
Been seeing these pasty signs everywhere since we got into the UP. I'm gonna stop and try one of these. Get one for lunch before we head out. I don't know if they'll be at the next stop or not. Voted number 1 in the UP. Let's see what they got.
Ooh, it smells good. You're one of those that doesn't like it?
Yeah. It's been a long time since I had that.
If I have a pasty without it, I know the pasty's missing something.
Oh, that's how you say it, pasty?
Yeah.
Okay.
If I could get it inside there, I guess, with everything else. Better than normal broccoli in it.
Right. I've never even tried the veggie and I never will. Yeah, I eat mine with ketchup, and a lot of people like gravy. So they'll break up the pasty and pour gravy over it.
Does it come on, if I get it together, does that just come on the side? Or
Yeah.
if I get it there?
Comes in a little cup.
Okay.
Is it like a pot pie?
It's like a chicken pot pie, but with
Chicken?
beef. But with beef. I mean, yeah,
Oh,
pot pie.
okay,
But
like a
with
pot pie. You need to test the gravy before you violate it if it's bad. They had chicken gravy and beef gravy, so if you get something full of chicken,
Yeah,
get a
they had chicken.
pasty full of chicken, they've got chicken gravy.
They had beef and chicken and vegetable. And the lady behind the counter says she's never even tried the vegetable.
So how is the gravy? Is it delicious?
Pretty good.
So do you recommend getting a pasty if
Oh,
you
yeah.
come to the UP?
Yeah, definitely.
It smells good. It smells
So
delicious.
Different than a Jamaican patty and different than a Texas kolache. Or a Czech kolache. Or a kolache. Kolache.
We're probably saying that
Kolache,
wrong too.
kolache.
We're ready. Done the trash dump done. Everything's checked. You check tire pressures.
Yes.
Mo's ready. We're ready. Finally. 45 minutes late.
Here comes Skytaker Spot.
Well, you can't check in until
It's
2.
early.
They will not let you in. They'll turn you away here if you get here early. That's what they say anyways. But
That's what the email says. The email says, well, the email says you're here before 12, but then the site says check-in's at 2, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I just know we're leaving. We ain't been to the left yet. New roads ahead.
woohoo! Let's go exploring.
In the UP. In the Uppervilles. Uppervilles. Uppervilles.
Upers.
Uppervilles.
Upers in the UP, trolls in the mitten. Fall is starting to peek in.
Bridge trolls.
Can't wait.
32 miles.
To what?
Have to turn.
delicious. Morning, guys. Happy Labor Day to you guys, even though it's well beyond Labor Day. We have a lazy day planned for today. Lazy with the exception of the fact that we have to pack our packs today.
I'm not looking forward to that.
We leave early in the morning for our backpacking trip on Isle Royale.
I got too much stuff. I'm going to have to try and figure out what to leave.
I don't think we have to worry about any bear. We just have packs of wolves running around.
Wolf pack.
And hopefully, after 6 years, 7 years of infrequently hunting down a moose, hopefully we'll get to see one. Hopefully he'll just walk right by us so we won't have to hunt him down. What?
Why are you 10 pounds heavier than you were the other day?
I don't know. Why?
Oh, you got your chair on there. That's only a pound. You got your poles in your hand. That's, I don't know, pound
At least. Probably a pound, yeah.
or more. You got those
Which
little...
I don't even want to take.
Why you got a chip clip?
Because when I hike and I have my ball cap on, if I've got the rain thing on, the rain thing slides off the ball cap. So that was the closest thing I could find. So like, I need like an
You need a gym clip. Yeah. I forgot what I was gonna say.
I don't have water in here. Oh.
Oh.
And it don't have a brush.
Oh, that's what. I was gonna say, cut your toothbrush in half. Cut your brush handle off.
I don't even have a brush in here yet. Which we know from our trip to Grand Island, this girl needs a brush.
Especially with that pack rubbing up against the back of your head all day.
It's gonna be a rat's nest.
Welcome to the 40-pound club.
Oh my goodness.